In this video, I'll be showing you how to see enemies better in Black Ops 6. I will be showing the settings on PC, however, some settings and tips can be used on console as well. Start by opening the settings, then select Graphics. Go across to the Display Mode option and set it to Full Screen Exclusive. Go down and set the screen refresh rate to the highest available option. Then set Display Resolution to your screen's resolution or 1920 by 1080. Head down and open the brightness settings. Adjust the brightness to match the guides. Then increase the brightness slightly. This will help brighten dark areas slightly. Make sure not to increase the brightness too much or the screen will look washed out. Go back, then set NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency to On plus Boost or On. I recommend testing both to see which one gives better performance. Typically, it will be On plus Boost. Turn off VSync Gameplay, then open the Custom Frame Rate Limit options. Set the Gameplay Custom Frame Rate Limit to your screen's refresh rate. Typically, this will be 360, 240, 144, 120, or 60. Close the frame rate settings. Head down and locate the High Dynamic Range setting if you have it, then turn it off. Apply settings if needed. Then go to the top and switch to the Quality tab. Set the Upscaling Sharpening option to Fidelity FX CAS. Go down and locate the Depth of Field setting, then turn it off. Set Particle Resolution to High. Go down to the Shadow and Lighting options. Set Shadow Quality to Low, Screen Space Shadows to Off, Screen Space Reflections to Off, and also set Static Reflection Quality to Low. Switch to the View tab. Turn off Motion Reduction. Set Field of View between 90 and 120. The higher your FOV, the more you will see to your sides. However, enemies will appear further away. If you are having issues seeing enemies at a distance, then decrease your FOV. I like to use 110 or 115. Set ADS Field of View to Affected and Weapon Field of View to Wide or Narrow. Head down to the camera settings. Turn off World Motion Blur and Weapon Motion Blur. Then set First-Person Camera Movement to Least. Turn on Inverted Flashbang if you want. This will make your screen go dark rather than white when flash effects occur. I find it helps me see better, but this is preference. Switch to the interface options, then go to the top and select the Readability tab. Go down and open the Color Customization settings. Head to the Color Filter settings, then set Color Filter to Filter 2. Change Color Filter Target to both, then set the World and Interface Intensity to 100. Go up and select the enemy color. Click Custom Color, then use the hue to select a color that you will see easily. Typically, you will want to use red or yellow. Keep in mind, if you use yellow, then you may want to change the U icon color. Move the saturation all the way up, then increase the brightness to the maximum as well. This will ensure the enemy color is easy to see. Click Apply Custom Color. Adjust any other colors as you like, then switch to the Gameplay HUD tab. Go down to the Minimap Shape option and set it to Square. The Square minimap has a larger surface area, meaning you can see where enemies are better. Another helpful tip is to use the Tracker perk. With Tracker, you will see enemy footsteps and automatically ping enemies when you ADS towards them. On both console and PC, you can adjust your screen's color settings. Typically, you will want to increase vibrance and saturation settings, and play with the gamma setting to try to make shadows a bit brighter without making the game look washed out. The settings will vary depending on the monitor or TV you are playing on. Additionally, if your screen has sharpening or clarity settings, then it may be worthwhile to increase these slightly. I recommend going into a custom game while you adjust your screen settings to find what looks best for you. If you are playing Black Ops 6 on PC and have an NVIDIA graphics card, then right-click on the desktop and open the NVIDIA control panel. On Windows 11, you will need to select Show More Options. Go to the side and select Adjust Desktop Color Settings. Select the monitor that you use to play Black Ops 6. Then go down and increase the digital vibrance. This will increase the vibrance of your monitor. I like to use 70 or 80, however, you can go all the way to 100 if you like. Select the Color Channel menu, then set it to All Channels. Adjust the brightness, contrast, and gamma to your liking. Again, this varies from monitor to monitor. However, I've found that setting brightness to 50%, contrast to 50%, and gamma to 1.02 to be the best for me. Apply any changes, then close, and you will now be able to see enemies better in Black Ops 6. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.